To create an SMS automation, go to the top of the page and click Deal Automations. Your current sales pipeline view will update to remove your deals and show only the existing deal automation. If you have yet to create an automation, this page should be empty along with a 0 at the top of each stage. Before we begin, it's important to note, in order to add SMS automation, you must have a person contact record already associated with the deal. This person contact record also needs to have a phone number, as that's the phone number that we will send the SMS automation to. Decide on the appropriate stage for your automation. Then click Add Deal Automation. A menu will appear prompting you to select one of the 4 available automation. Click on SMS, then click Continue. An empty SMS form will appear with various prompts for text entries. In the From field, select the phone number you want to use. Then, in the Message field, enter your SMS message. Notice that a preview will appear on the phone on the right. Alternatively, you can utilize an existing SMS template from your Templates app. Simply click a template that you want to use. You also have Personalization Options. Here, you can automatically inject information such as business name, phone number, person's name, email address, and more directly from the contact records. Let's take a look at what this looks like. Instead of just leaving this as hello there, we could choose to say hello and add the first name. However, the message will not actually read hello there person first name, but will instead show the first name of the person receiving the message. For example, if we are sending an SMS message to Caitlin, this will read, "Hello there, Caitlin." It will automatically update the first name to show the first name of every new recipient that receives this notification. Finally, if you like your template and would like to save it, you can click this button to save as new template. As a brief reminder, you will utilize 1 SMS credit from your account for every 160 characters that you use. Every time you exceed 160 characters, you will utilize another SMS credit. Be wary of this, especially whenever you use these personalization options. Finally, you can test your SMS message by entering a phone number here below and then clicking Send Test. When you're satisfied with your notification, click Continue. Next up, we will add an automation delay. We can choose to delay this automation by a certain number of days, hours, or minutes. Otherwise, if we leave this at 0, the action will happen immediately as soon as a deal card is dropped into this part of the stage. Finally, you should enter a description that describes this delay and automation. We'll set this to delay by 1 day and show that we are sending a message to follow up an email, just as an example. When you're satisfied, click Continue. Congratulations, the automation has been created successfully. Then click Close. You can now see your SMS automation at this stage of the pipeline. Be mindful when you add automations in stages that already have existing automations. You can see how the order of operations will follow by tracing this line down the left side of the automations. These typically will line up depending on the number of delay you have on the automation. In this case, this email message will go out 1 hour, 1 minute later, whereas our SMS automation will go out 1 day later than that. If you want to delete an automation, click this button and click Delete. Alternatively, you can click Edit to edit the automation, or simply turn the automation off if you're not ready to delete it.